Whether you like to start your day with a cup of strong filter coffee, a shot of espresso, a cup of steamy cappuccino, latte, or even Americano, we have the perfect fix to complement your productive day. Murphy Richards has revolutionized your coffee making experience by incorporating espresso and drip coffee in one single machine, the Duopresso 2-in-1 Coffee Maker. You can now brew both espresso as well as drip coffee in one go. Not just that, the 15-bar pressure and milk frother nozzle with steam control knob produces creamy and frothy milk to craft delicious cappuccinos and lattes in minutes. The powerful 1850-watt heating motor enables quick brewing in minutes. The carafe is made from high-strength borosilicate glass and holds the capacity to make 10 cups of drip coffee in a go. The Duopresso has a digital LCD display, and just one press of the button, you can have a single or double shot of espresso. You can also change the strength of the coffee from light, medium, strong and extra strong as per your taste with a coffee strength setting. The timer function provides the convenience to program your brew up to 24 hours in advance. Murphy Richards Duopresso 2-in-1 Coffee Maker is powered by advanced thermocoil heating for controlled temperature output of the brew. The Keep Warm feature retains the heat of your brew for a prolonged period. With the Duopresso 2-in-1 Coffee Maker, you will get a stainless steel portafilter with filter holders, a reusable coffee powder scoop with tamper, and a removable drip tray which is easy to clean. Use ground coffee powder for best results. So, bring home the Duopresso 2-in-1 Coffee Maker and enjoy your piping hot coffee just when you need it. Coffee brewing experience redefined with Murphy Richards.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up.